that is done. What about others?
Yesterday, yes, ma'am. So, yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan?
Ma'am, I did few.
Ma'am, I didn't do. Today
Why,
I'll do.
beta?
Ma'am, I didn't see homework yesterday.
Sudhamshu?
Ma'am, I did only one.
Siddhishri?
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri? Good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Beta, have you done the homework which I shared yesterday? I've asked you na, to do the exercise from NCRT. Have you done, Siddhishri? Sai Siddhartha, have you done any question, beta, in homework?
No, ma'am.
Why? You are facing problem in solving the questions?
Ma'am, I just joined the class.
Yes, I know you have joined late.
So I needed to understand. That is why.
Okay. Okay, see children. Your next method is substitution method, in which you have to solve the linear pair of system of linear pair of equations. So let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 be two linear equations. Right. Now here substitution method. It means you have to substitute the value. You have to put the value of one variable. So how will you solve it? See, this is your first equation and this is your second equation. Now, from equation 1, we have, I am finding the value of x. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 we are having. So a1x is equal to minus b1y minus c1. May I write like this, beta? Can I write? Because
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have transposed both the terms to the right hand side. And it will acquire minus sign after shifting to the right hand side, right? So value of x will be minus b1y minus c1 upon a1. So this is the value of x. Now from which equation we have calculated? From equation 1 now?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you have to put value of x in equation second. Am I clear? It means that if you are finding any variable value from equation 1, then you have to put that value in equation second. And if you are calculating from second equation, then you have to put in first equation. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
So now after putting it, you will get a2x minus x minus b1y. b1y minus c1 upon a1 minus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here you will find the value of y. Okay, then put that value of y in this equation. Have you understood this thing? That from equation first, you are calculating value of x or y. Okay? You can find any one of the value, whether x or whether y. Then put in other equation. Yes, have you got it my point, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Abhinava is understanding. What about others? Sudhamshu, Siddhishri,
Yes,
Shant,
ma'am.
Sai, Siddhartha, Ayonija, Aryan,
Understood.
Jayashree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it will be more clear after seeing the example. Okay, let me explain the example. See, for example, solve solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y, 4x plus not 6y, they will be infinitely many solution. Let me take another value. So 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now we have to solve this equation. Solve means you have to find the values of x and y. So first of all, children, we will mark these equation as equation 1 and 2. This will be our first step, right? So now from equation second, see here, from equation second, we have, so equation second is x plus 2y is equal to 3. So beta, easily we can find value of x by transposing this 2y to the right hand side. So it will be 3 minus 2y. Am I right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let this equation be A. This value be A. Now put value of x in. Now from which equation we have find the value? From equation 2. Now you will put this value of x in equation 1. So just put in equation 1. We get equation 1 is 7x minus 15y. Minus 15y is equal to 2. So just in place of x, write this 3 minus 2y. Minus 15y is equal to, right? So now multiply 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Clear? So now transpose this 21 to the right hand side. So it will be 14 and 15 is 29 minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 21. So it will be minus 29y is equal to minus 90. Right, beta?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So value of y will be, value of y is 19 by 29. So this is the value of y. Okay. Now, we have to find value of x also. So just put value of y in equation A. This is your equation A. Just put here x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So 38 by 29. Take LCM beta 29. 29 3s are 87 minus 38. So subtract it, then you will get 49 by 29. Is it clear, children? Substitution method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note it down it. And children, one more thing. See, on the screen, I have not more than space, na? I have no more space. So that's why I have put here line. Then I have done my question here. But you have to do sequence wise. See on the page like this only. Okay. After y is equal to 19 by 29 only you have to write. Don't put a, don't draw a line in between the page and you are doing on the both side of the line. Okay.
Ma'am.
Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So as a
Yes,
conclusion, we have
Sudhanshu?
to.
Ma'am, can you show the previous page?
I have to explain it again, beta.
No. Can you show the previous page?
Okay, previous page you want. Okay, just wait.
Ma'am, in conclusion, we have to write that x is equal to 19 by 29 and y is equal to 40.
No,
9 is the
49 by
solution.
29.
49 by 29 is the solution, right?
Yes, yes. And answer should be in your box only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Just wait, Sudhamshu. Note it down it first, then I will show you next previous page. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta, done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Can we move to the next question?
Yes, beta. Just wait. All have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, Sudhamshu wants. Just wait. Green is visible, Sudhamshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, Sudhamshu?
Yes, ma'am.
I got the update.
Done.
Done? Sudhamshu, may I proceed, beta?
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Okay. See. Now suppose this is your exercise question number 1. In which solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. It is mentioned. Then x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. So your first step will be that you will mark the equations 1 and 2. Clear? Now I am taking here from equation 1. Now I am taking equation 1. You can take equation 2 also. So we have x plus y is equal to 14. Now you can find value of y also. So I am finding value of y here. So it will be 14 and transpose this x to right hand side. It will be 14 minus x. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is our next step? Put the value of y in equation 1. Then we have, sorry, from equation 1 we have calculated the value of y. Now we will put in equation 2. Just put in equation 2, x minus y is equal to 4. So it will be x minus, instead of y, write 14 minus x is equal to 4. Now see, before bracket there is minus sign. So when you are opening the bracket, its inner sign will be changed. Right? Now x and x will be 2x. Now this minus 14 having sign, while when transposing to right hand side, it will get plus sign. So it will be 4 plus 14. So 2x is equal to 18. Then value of x is 18 by 2, 9. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now our next step is put value of y, value of x in equation A. I have given the name to this equation A because it will be different. Okay. So y is equal to 14 minus x. So value of x is 9. So value of y is 5. Right? So these are the values of x and y and this is our answer. Got it, children?
Yes.
All have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri, Sudhamshu,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shyam, Sai beta, Sai Siddhartha beta.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, beta, may I call you Siddhartha only? Siddhartha only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kindly note it down it.
Ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done? All have done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
May I proceed to next question then?
Yes.
Siddhishri written. Sudhamshu. Siddhartha.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now next question is for you. You people will solve that question. And I will see your notebooks, okay?
Question, ma'am.
And kindly turn on your cameras.
Ma'am, just could you show that previous page, ma'am?
Yeah.
Last part I'm reading.
Okay, okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is 3x minus y is equal to 3. This is third part. Question number 1, third part. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Solve these two equations, beta. And turn on your cameras also.
We have to do this.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, is the value of x coming 1?
What? You are not clearly audible?
Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes.
Ma'am, is the value of x coming 1?
1, no. Children solve.
Why am I getting 0?
Y is equal to?
Ma'am, is x is equal to 0?
Yes, children, may I explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am getting x is equal to 4 by 5.
4 by 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's
Ma'am,
check.
can you explain?
Yes, I'm explaining. See, your question is 3x minus 5 is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Right? So let mark them equation 1 and equation 2. Yes, Meher, now what will our step? From equation 1, we have 3x minus y is equal to 3. Right? You can calculate value of y from here. So it will be 3x minus 3 is equal to y, children. May I write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
I have transposed this 3 to left hand side and y to right hand side. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now put value of y in equation 2. So 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Now put the values. 9x minus 3 into 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. So now see, 9x minus 3 3 is 9x minus minus plus 3 3 is 9 is equal to 0. 9x minus 9x is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 9 is equal to 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, beta? So it means the statement is true for all values of y. We did not get a specific value. Right?
Which means 9, ma'am, like
And 5.
0 on both sides, right? If we
0 on both
like
sides, how?
put the like times. If we put the like times, like term aside, like 9x minus 9x is equal to 9 minus 9
9x minus 9x. It will
is
be 0.
equal to, yes, ma'am. Is
Then
equal to 9
0
minus
is
9.
equal to 0, you can say. Or
Yes, ma'am.
see, yes, 0 is equal to 0, you can say. Or you can say, see, or you can check the condition also. 3x minus y is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. And 9x minus 3y is equal minus 9 is equal to 0. So from equation 1, what are the values of A1? A1 is 3, B1 is minus 1, C1 is minus 3. Now from second equation, A2 is 9, B2 is minus 3, C1 is minus 9. Now find the ratios. A1 by A2 is 3 by 9. So it will be 1 by 3. Then B1 by B2, again 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
C1 by
Another
C2,
1 by 3.
minus 3 by minus 9. So it will be 1 by 3. So all ratios are equal. It means infinitely many solutions. Okay. So there is no specific value of x and y. Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am, but I got 0, x as
Beta?
0 and y as 0.
Yes. Not 0, you can't say that this is 0 because 0 is the specific value. There are no specific value for infinitely many solutions. So you can leave your answer here only. 9 is equal to 9 or any other constant you will get. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Noted, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'm giving you next question. Now, next question is in fraction. Okay. This is your NCERT question only. Second part, question number 1, second part. S minus T is equal to 3. And second is S by 3 plus T by 2 is equal to 6. Generally, what you people are doing, that you are directly putting the values and this and then. So here you have to take LCM first. So if denominators are different, then you will multiply both. Now cross multiply. Then it will be 2s plus 3t is equal to 6. Cross multiply. Then 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. Now your first equation is s minus t is equal to 3. And second equation is 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu, understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shyam,
ma'am.
Siddhartha, Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayonija.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, did you solve the question or this is the question?
You have to solve the question, beta.
The first equation is S minus T is equal to 3.
It's equal to 3, yes. And second is 2s plus 3t is equal to 36.
Ma'am, I didn't get why you made it into 2S plus 3T by 6.
I have taken the LCM. See, this is s by 3 plus t by 2, right? Take
Yes,
LCM
ma'am.
6. Now divide 6 by 3. You will get 2 now. Then
Yes, ma'am.
multiply 2 with numerator s, 2s plus. Now divide 6 by 2. It will be 3. 3 multiply t, it will be 3t is equal to 36. Now cross multiply. 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the value of t coming 6?
Value of t
T. Ah, yes, ma'am.
and s.
Ma'am, S is 9.
9.
Yes, ma'am.
Finally,
Yes, answer is correct. Or you can check your answer also by putting both the values in this. S minus t is equal to 3 in this equation. Okay?
Ma'am, I got T as what is it? 7.5, ma'am.
No, 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 Aryan. Check it once again whether I think you have done some mistake. Okay? Or I will explain. The value of t will be 9
Is it 6?
and t will be 6 and s will be 9.
Ma'am, that is S minus T now, ma'am.
Yes, s minus t is equal to 3, beta.
Ma'am, T
Done?
is 6, no, ma'am.
Yes. Now you have got?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where have you got the answer? Meher?